He's gonna make me pay for the services. He's gonna be like, I want you to cover the tow cost. They're gonna say, can we get payment over the phone so I can pay the tow truck driver? We need a fake address.
What's up guys, welcome back to the EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Yo, let's see what Will's up to today, okay? What are you doing? How are you?
I slept an hour.
You only slept an hour? What were you doing? I've left you here for like 3 days and you're still on the hood. So for those of you who are new here, we're doing a paint correction on this Mercedes that removes scratches and swirl marks that's on the paint. Every car needs this, whether it's brand new or not.
This is brand new.
Yeah, this car is brand new. Let me show you how brand new this car is. This is a brand new car and we're doing a paint correction on it. How many miles does it have?
We're about to find out.
96. You guys see those kind of spider webby lines in your paint? Those are scratches. Every car has some degree of that. We actually go and polish as much of that out as we can, depending on what the client wants. And then we put a coating on top, and what that does is it makes the car paint bead water, makes it shine a lot glossier, and the shine will last for X amount of years depending on what coating you get. It's like a wax, but it lasts a lot longer.
Completely different product.
It's like super wax.
It's a silicon dioxide product that once it's exposed to oxygen, it turns into a glass-like layer. Flexible, scratch resistant, hydrophobic, super glossy, UV resistant, graffiti resistant. Yeah. You dozing off? I'm just f***ing with them.
What does it say?
I was like, hello, good morning, and hope you're doing great today. I would like to confirm if you specialize in mobile car wash and detailing services, and are you the owner, and what's your name? And I was like, and I search you online, what is a good recommendation, and hope you will do a great job for me and can do SUV and truck, and do you accept credit card as form of payment? This guy says he found me online, and I tell him that. He's like, yes, on the 23rd is fine, but I am not so good on the internet, and I want you to do full detailing for me both inside and outside. And then I thought he showed 4 cars, and I was like $250 per car, so it's actually $750, and I accidentally wrote $1,000 total, and the guy was like, okay, that's fine, and the total cost of $1,000 sounds good. I know it's a scam already, because they're gonna be like, I have one favor, like my family is like in the hospital or something like that, and I need you to cover payment. Hey, look.
Oh, he responded?
Remember I said truck driver and stuff?
Yeah, okay.
The guy said, do you offer mobile services? He's gonna make me pay for the services. He's gonna be like, I want you to cover the tow cost. They're gonna say, can we get payment over the phone so I can pay the tow truck driver? We need a fake address. This I have to deal with all the time.
So you paint corrected the whole car, and now you ceramic coated the whole thing as well. So how come this towel isn't sliding?
Because I'm putting 9H. It's not right.
Why isn't it sliding, Will? Why isn't it sliding? Shouldn't it be like, whoa, 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 whoa?
Process, you donkey.
Is that him? Is that him?
What? Hey, what are they saying?
I don't know, it's Mandarin. I don't know Mandarin.
Hey, obviously you detected the language.
I know that much. That's all I know.
Who is this?
Sir, can you speak Chinese?
I speak English barely.
If you got a bigger pad, like one double that size, you can finish a car a little bit faster.
Look at this. It says, okay, I will make the payment now, but you'll please render me a little favor.
Oh.
See, I told you, it's the same stuff every time. Say, what is the favor?
Who freaking says render me a favor?
Nobody. Truck driver that would deliver the vehicles to your workshop, I would have to handle his fees along with your fees. I am not covering any towing fees.
Hell no. We have started the sanding guard process on the Supra, so let me show you what we have done so far. Oh, look at that. The light just hits it at those angles. It looks so much more aggressive. As you guys can tell, we're not done with it yet. We're still working on it, but it is moving along. Once the hood is done, it's really gonna start to look like it's coming together. Really unique Vossen wheels you get to see. This is a VLE1. This is actually a special edition wheel that Vossen made a couple of years ago. They only made 400 sets. Reminds me of something you see on like an old school S-Class or old school Mercedes. Kind of really fits that classic old school look. And the finish you guys see here is what they call silver metallic. So it's just a nice clean silver with a bunch of metallic flakes in it. So really clean. Just want to show you guys this. So we have the couple working on the Model S, getting the chrome delete going. We We got husband number 1 on the left doing the door handle, and we got husband number 2 doing the side skirt on the driver's side. The couple that works together stays together. People always ask Raul and Sean how they're able to keep their work and their personal lives separate when they go home together, but you know what? They seem to have it down pretty well. Even though things may not go 100% well at work together, they're able to put that aside when they enter the door, appreciate each other for who they are. Right, Raul? Okay, so Tyler sent me this video just now. He's like, yo, you gotta put this in the vlog. You gotta do a reaction to it. So I don't know what this is. I'm gonna watch it for the first time, but if he sends me something, it's probably gonna be good. So let's get started.
We've got some supplies right here, as you can see.
Making a Vossen wheel out of a steely.
And a welder. So yeah,
What?
a bunch of metal bits for us to cut and weld. We all know that Vossen wheels are quite the rage nowadays. This should actually turn out to be pretty interesting.
They're gonna make a Vossen wheel out of a steely?
Hell no.
Right, I think we have some cutting to do.
Oh my god, that thing's a
Converting
piece of
steel
crap.
into-
They're actually gonna make a CB3 Vossen wheel. That's some pretty crazy engineering and creativity. Way easier and way cheaper just to buy a used set if you really wanted a set of CB3s. Oh my god, it actually is starting to look like a 5-spoke wheel. Oh my god, that didn't take that long. That is so janky. Whoa, it does look like it. Can't believe I just saw a steely turn into this. Wow, they're melting. Oh man, he did the two-tone finish.
Got a slight imbalance happening.
Yeah, no shit.
True ghetto fashion.
Oh my god, look how many weights they have on there. That is so hideous. But yeah, seriously though guys, when you have wheels that need to get balanced, it's always nice to have very little to no weights on there as much as possible. They're gonna go on a test drive with that.
Can you even tell that it's a steely? It doesn't look like a steel rim at all.
You know what's sad is I could definitely see some people actually try to attempt this themselves. And like legitimately put these on their car and like rock them. Damn, look at that fitment though. It's flush. On a creative standpoint, it was great. I love the creativity, right? 10 out of 10. It's crazy. I can't believe someone just made a Vossen wheel out of steely. He's in Russia. I wonder how much Vossens cost there. Maybe they're really expensive. Maybe that's why people would do something like that there. I left you for about 7,000 hours. Let's see what you got.
For about 7,000 hours?
So I see you have a fender badge that's not done yet. The door handle is done. Yeah.
No, you're doing it wrong. It's supposed to say open.
If you haven't seen this, we do the top and the face of the door handle so that way you get a much more seamless coverage. Very nice. This one is done too. Nice, Sean. How clean this looks. Hey, where's Bay?
Where's my bae?
Where's Bay at? Where did he go?
Where's she at?
Where did Bay go?
She's at work. I'm not sure though.
Then why is he not here? Isn't this
You're
work?
talking about she?
I'm talking about Raul. He was here. Now I don't see him anymore.
Not bae.
Raul is Bay.
Whoa, look at all that.
Dude, that's really cool, man. Wait, why is he doing that?
It's just a used applicator pad that I used for ceramic coating the other day. Usually these go in the trash can, but I kept this out and I wanted to see if this would have ceramic coating still in it. It's also hydrophobic.
Because of the coating.
Yeah. No, it's...
So it just stays on top because it can't seep through because of the coating.
Yep. I mean, it's pretty much dry.
Will that work with vomit?
I don't know. I'm not gonna try it. Look at that. Oh! I turned it the other direction.
Now Will is coating the entire interior. So the seats, the carpet, it's all getting coated. So what you just saw with the water beading action, it's gonna be on the seats and on the carpet. We're moving along in the Supra. Bottom fender done and the door done. Ooh, it's looking menacing. Man, especially with all those curves here, it looks really nice. You're reading about how to apply ceramic coating.
So in the training course, they tell you one thing, and then their manual shows a completely different thing. So that's why I'm just like, okay.
We're gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info in the description down below. Yo, that was not a bad throw. Yo, can you hit me from here? I'm not gonna move. Can you hit me from here?
Oh, I'm limited
Will. Oh, nice. Hit us up at contact info description down below. Nice.
Damn, I'm trying to get your head.
Hey, try to get my head. Nice. Let us know what you want, what you need. We'll take care of you. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh.